Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use a USB device as external storage on your Xbox Series X or S. So go to Settings and then go on down to where it says System and go to Storage Devices. Now under here, you can see I have a USB device plugged in. Now this one is not going to work for external storage, but I can save my video clips to it, which is very nice. I can record up to 1 hour long now because I have this set to capture location. But if I want to store games on this, now if you look in the bottom left, it says it needs to be at least 3.0 or faster and 128 gigabytes minimum and formatted to my Xbox from my PC under the format type NTFS. So we need to format this first before we can use this, and we have to have a large enough drive. Otherwise, we won't be able to do this. Now, if we don't have a large enough drive and we want to save our video clips to it, I'm just going to show you this real quick, even though you don't have to do this. Going over to apps, go to captures, but you might want to do this in the future. Go to settings under here, and you have to change your save location from internal storage to USB right here. And then you can save up to 1 hour long clips. Now, to format this as NTFS, regardless if you're doing clips or you're storing games on it with an external storage, you need to format this on your computer. So let's take my USB device right now, unplug it from my Xbox and plug it into my PC. Now, when you plug it into your PC, it should pop up for you. So let's go to my third screen right here. And you can see I have this PC opened up. And you're going to see which device is plugging in. So USB drive right here. And it should just pop open right here. So you can see game DVR. I got nothing down there. So figure out which drive you're going to be formatting. So go to this PC on the left side here. So here's this PC. I can see all my drives. Unplug your drive. It'll go away and then plug it back in. And I know exactly which drive to format. If you accidentally format the wrong drive, you could be erasing your entire computer, so it won't even function. So be precise which one you are formatting. So I know it's the USB D drive. I'm going to right click on it, and then I'm going to go to Format. And then it should give me the option to Format File System NTFS. So switch it from EXFAT to NTFS, select the full capacity, and hit Quick Format, go to Start. Go to OK, and this is going to erase all the data off it. So just a heads up, it's going to erase it. So transfer this to your computer before you do this if you want to save what's on there. Maybe it's family photos or something, I don't know. But once you hit Start, it's going to format the drive, and then you can switch it back on over to your Xbox, and you can go back to storage, and you can change the storage location, and you can move and transfer your games to it. So very easy to do once you have it formatted. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.